This is the AC unit that we're gonna have in the box fan.
It works.
If it works, and we're just trying it out for the first time. It's something that we already had. So we're not spending money on it.
Yeah.
You want to turn it on?
Hey, I'm gonna do a fan.
Okay, so that's the low fan? Or is that high fan?
Oh,
You sure it's not cool?
yes.
Okay,
This is not that hot out.
okay. It's only 91 or something.
It's not that hot anymore. It seems about the same to me. Low or high.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see if the compressor works.
So you got it on AC now? Yep, I feel it. Definitely feel it.
The temperature is on the lowest because you go max cool.
Okay. And this is the Frigidaire room air conditioner. It's 5,000 BTU. It's supposed to be pretty efficient. Want to hit the next level?
There's high cool, which I think just turns the fan.
So that's high cool.
And this is the temperature. There.
Oh,
we
there you
go.
go. Now
It's
the
like I
compressor
never.
wasn't even on.
Yeah, it wasn't. Didn't feel cold.
We'll go back to low again.
Low.
Low cool.
I think it's just the fan speed, maybe.
Oh, is it?
And then the temperature. I'm not sure. I'm guessing.
Now we go back to high.
Air temperature.
I think it might take a minute to,
Yeah.
to cool down. It's not air temperature air though, because it's definitely cooler than 91
Well, the
degrees.
compressor came on, but I don't know if you have to like put Freon in these sometime, or because it's been sitting and we don't really know how long they had it or anything.
Well, let's go all the way up, see what happens. It
Yeah.
feels cooler. It's definitely cooler than 91 degrees. Definitely.
It's not cold, not that cold.
Kelly has an announcement to make.
Cold air.
Cold air from where? Oh, from the Frigidaire.
Cold air from the Frigidaire.
Well, it's supposed to be Frigidaire.
Thank you.
It is definitely cold, yeah.
Yeah, not
That's
bad.
nice.
This is yeah.
Nice, well that's good.
I think this is supposed to cover like 150 square feet.
And this is
or
128.
more.
This is 128 before we put the walls in.
Yeah, I can't remember if I read 150 square feet or like starting at 150 square feet. So I think it's slightly larger, even the minimum. But you can't really get much smaller than these. But
No.
this is supposed to be.
It's a lot more money to buy a 3,000 or 4,000 BTU air conditioning unit than it is to buy a 5,000 BTU.
Yeah, it's more of a specialty thing.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be the best. I've a couple places I heard twice in 2 days. I heard
Hobotech was one of them, right?
Hobotech said this is a really good one for energy usage. The Frigidaire, 5,000 BTU, window, manual control.
He has the same one.
Yeah, I think so. And then I read it in a top 10 list too. Best for energy use.
Nice.
So, also free.
Yes, also free. And we have a second one.
Yeah, it's an
So-
older one.
It's an older one. Well, it's just discolored more.
16, 12, 13.
This is our second 5,000 BTU Frigidaire room AC unit. It's very much like the first one that we planned on installing, but we're thinking about installing both of these so that if we're in a 100-degree temperature, you know, we will still be cool. Also, we do have enough space, I think, on the back wall to install these. So that's what's up pretty soon here. But I'm just going to plug it in and make sure this one works. We haven't done that. So just plugged it in. All right, there's high cool. And that's as cold as it gets. So come back in a few minutes, well maybe in like 10 minutes, and see how it's doing. This is the moment of truth. Do we have a second AC? Feels cooler in here to me.
Cold air.
It's on high.
Yeah.
So it may not be as good as the other one, but.
It's okay.
Oh, definitely cold air.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seems pretty good. We're happy with it. Oh, so happy. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great, because I will definitely get back to you and share these videos with your friends if you think they would enjoy them. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.